So Jagannath Reddy has declined the allegement, whatever.
ऊपर आ जाओ, इस तरफ आओ। I'm sorry.
जगनमोहन रेड्डी ने एलिगेशंस को डिनाई किया है और कहा है कि कोई भी किसी तरह की अडल्ट्रेशन नहीं हुई है क्योंकि 3 प्रोसेस से गुजरता है।
तो एनडीडीबी का रिपोर्ट तो बहुत क्लियर है ना, अडल्ट्रेशन हुआ है बोल के एनडीडीबी ही बोला है, रिपोर्ट क्लियर है। तो डिनाई करने के लिए क्या है, एलिगेशन नहीं है, ये फैक्ट लेके चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब ने बात किया, वो अनाउंसमेंट करा, सब एक्शन थोड़ी लेंगे ना।
सर केंद्र सरकार से भी बात चल रही है कि सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की डिमांड की है गिरिराज सिंह ने।
उसके ऊपर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर स्टेटमेंट भी करेगा, तो किसी को भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, बट केवल एक सीबीआई इंक्वायरी से हम ये इशू नहीं छोड़ेंगे। 3 स्टेप्स लेने का है और इसको फुल स्टॉप रखना है। तो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी से जो हुआ है, क्यों हुआ है, किसने किया है, वो पता चलेगा, पर जो आने का है, आने दिन का है ना, फिर ये नहीं होने का है। तो उसके लिए क्या करना है, स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस जो करना है, उसके ऊपर भी एक टीम रखना है कि मुख्यमंत्री का सोच है, वो पॉलिसी उन्होंने अनाउंस करेगा।
सर इतनी बड़ी घटना से एक बात तो हुई है कि करोड़ों लोगों की श्रद्धा को ठेस पहुंची है, तो क्या कहेंगे?
यही होता है कि अगर मुख्यमंत्री का विजन नहीं है, क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट नहीं है, ऐसे दिक्कत होता है। क्योंकि जगनमोहन रेड्डी के पहले कई मुख्यमंत्री आए थे, कोई भी तिरुमला के पास नहीं गया, ऐसी चीज़ नहीं किया। बहुत दिक्कत मेरे को भी आता है, हमारे भी लॉर्ड है ना, so we also feel very bad for it. So we're going to put this, we're going to streamline the entire process going forward.
Sir, he is alleging you of diversion politics and using God's name in vain for your political gains. How do you see that?
It is what it is. Fact is in front of the people. The reports have clearly stated. Is that diversion politics? So should we not put a report in front of people? Shouldn't we put facts in front of people? So it's our responsibility as a government. Like him, we will not do secret geos. Like him, we will not hide things. We will put facts in front of public and we will let public choose.
But have you given only the report only after 2 months the report is being brought into the public? Why is that?
It took time for it to come, no? TTD is an independent body. So Honorable Chief Minister role is only appointment of the EO. It operates independent, has its own autonomy. So the report to come will take its time, and it has come to the Honorable Chief Minister's desk.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Sir Jagannath Reddy has declined.
Tirupati Devasthanam being contaminated has come out, and certain facts have to be put before the people. About 4-5 years ago, the Nandini and Karnataka Milk Federation head has given a press statement. I would like to show this. And in that he said, we are giving the lowest price to Tirupati for the last 50 years because of the love we have for the Lord. And anybody who's giving a price lower than this will automatically be doing contamination. And he's cautioned this 4-5 years ago. In spite of that, the earlier YCP government did not bother, and they called middlemen to supply ghee. I mean, the quantity is almost 15,000 kgs a day. So obviously, a middleman doesn't have the dairy to support that kind of a production. So he would be buying it from the market. Knowing this also, there was total irresponsible carelessness from the earlier YCP government. And you can see another original clipping of the TTD webpage. What has happened is, when Chandrababu Naidu ji has gone to the temple last month, he's ordered a detailed review of all processes. And then the Vigilance Department has checked on the supply of this product and found out that there was some contamination. So they have immediately sent it to accredited lab in Gujarat for verification, and the details have come out that it is contaminated with animal fat and other ingredients. So based on that, action was taken, a show cause notice was issued on the supplier, and he was blacklisted also. So this has happened in a proper vigilance inquiry. And today YSRCP people are coming and trying to escape the mistakes what they have done. So this is what I would like to put in front of the people. Apart from this, there were a couple of other paper cuttings in the last day of about 520 crores being siphoned off from TTD in different ways. So this is the level of corruption what the YCP government has done, even in Venkateshwara temple. So this is the copy of the test result. So this result is clearly telling where they collected the sample from, and it is given from a government laboratory. It has been tested, and not just one. Multiple samples have been tested, and all parameters have been given. So this is the naked truth, and the YSRCP people cannot escape from this this crime. And I would like to show another photo of Jagan Mohan Reddy. So here, when the Laddu Prasadam was offered to him, when he's gone to Tirupati earlier, he was just smelling it and keeping it aside. So this is something what they have no regard for Hindu sentiment altogether. And another shocking video I would like to show, it is the chairman who is his own uncle and his aunt, what they have been telling. So what it says is, if anybody who goes to Tirupati says Lord Venkateshwara is a Rakshaka, but here these people are telling right in front of the feet of Lord Venkateshwara that Jagan Mohan is a Rakshaka. Can you believe to what level they have played with the sanctity of the temple and the sentiment of the Hindus? This is absolutely painful, and we strongly condemn and deplore these acts. Another last aspect I would like to raise is, Jagan Mohan Reddy and his family are Christians. We have no problem about that. But whenever he was going to the temple, we have clearly asked that a non-Hindu should sign a declaration. No matter how many times we raise that objection, he never signed that declaration so far. And now you have allegations of land being sold, then you have allegations of money being siphoned off, then you have foreign exchange currency which has been stolen. N number of complaints are coming from the previous regime in Tirupati. The sanctity of the temple is at question now. Chandrababu Naidu ji, the CM, is absolutely serious and angry on all this, and he's ordered a detailed inquiry. We expect a report coming out shortly, and all the people who are responsible for these mistakes will be punished very strongly, is what we can assure all the devotees of Lord Venkateshwara.